Hello children, today we shall talk about accommodations in Belgium. So my dear children, in our previous videos lectures, we have understood the situations of Belgium as well as the situations of Sri Lanka. And we came to know that both countries were having the different social groups, and due to having those social groups, there was lot of conflict in the society. And both these majority community as well as the minority communities were trying to have dominations of each other. So when there was a conflict in the society, so there is one solutions which can make and which can enable the peoples to live together, that is the accommodations. That means we need to accept each other. If we are having coexistence with each other, if we are having acceptance to each other, then there will not be any kind of conflict in the society. So dear children, the leaders of Belgium, they understood the situations of the Belgians and they came to the conclusions that there is one solution to social differences, that is to give equality to each and every community in the society. Without giving equality in the society, it's not possible to have unity in the nations. So they made the decisions that there is one solution to keep unity in the nations, that is to give equality to each and every community in the society. Because without giving equality status to each and every one, there is not having any kind of possibility to have unity in the nations, because they responded the social differences in a very innovative ways, and according to that innovative ways they edified the constitutions for 4 times. And here it is been said that right from 1970 to 1993 they amended the constitutions for several times, and they made such kind of arrangement in the constitutions which enable each and every community to live peacefully in the society. So according to the presentations of Belgium's models, as we see here that the Belgium constitutions which prescribes that the Dutch as well as the French speaking ministers shall be having equal representations in the central government, and at the same time no single community can make any decisions in the government. That means everyone has to present while the decision making process is going on. Then many powers of the central governments have been given to the state government, and the state government is not the subordinate to the central government. So dear children, here in the capital city of Belgium, there is Brussels, which is having the separate government in which both the communities are having separate power. So here what we see here in Brussels, there is a separate government in which both the communities are having power here. And apart from the central as well as the state government, there is a third tier of government. There is a community government, and each communities are having their community government. And what the community government can do, they can solve the problems related to languages, the problems related to educations, as well as the problems which is related to cultures. So dear children, it is the Belgium which is presenting the model of power sharing. According to this model of power sharing, we have noticed that each communities were given equal representations, equal power distributions, equality in the society, equal opportunities in the society, and due to that the social differences did not create any kind of issues in the society. So my dear children, here what the Belgium is doing here, what the model is presenting here, they are accommodating each and every social communities in the society. They are not giving importance to any particular community. So there is a distribution of power. there is a power sharing, because they understood that the countries will become unity when the power distributions is given to each and every one. Because my dear children, in our previous videos lectures, I have explained to you in details that in Sri Lanka, though there was democratic structures of government, but the Sinhala community, they were trying to dominate the minority. They were trying to have all positions in the university level. They were trying to have all government jobs. They were trying to have dominations in the society. They tried to spread the Buddhist religions, which is followed by the majority community. They given Sinhala language is the official languages. So this is how they adopted the concepts of majoritarianisms, and due to that civil war happened. Many people lost their life, many people left the country, and the situations was very painful. So my dear children, so already we have noticed the situations of Sri Lanka and Belgium. So in Belgium, when the leaders noticed the social differences, they started doing accommodations, and when accommodations is happened in Belgium, it was a good country where each and every communities, they lived together and there was no problems and no issues in the society. But in Sri Lanka, it created lot of problems. So my dear children, when we are living in a social diversified cultures as well as the religious diversified country, we need to give equality to each and every one. When equality is not given to each and every one, there will be conflict, there will be fighting, there will be different kind of conflict which will create many social setbacks as well as many social as well as economical setbacks in the society. That is the reasons, my dear children, we need to share the power. We need to have the power distributions. Without power distributions, the situations will be very painful. There will not be equality in society. Peoples will fight each other. Peoples will do fighting. In Sri Lanka, already I have explained to you, my dear children, that when the Sinhala communities was given all kind of preferences during that time, the Tamilian peoples, they demanded to have a separate state in the nations. So my dear children, from these two cases, we have understood that accommodations is very important. Equality is very important. Equal importance is very important in the society. And in democratic structures, we need to have the power sharing. Without power sharing, it is very difficult to live in social diversified cultures country. So we need to have the power sharing. If we are not sharing power, there will be lot of problems in the society. So by noticing the problems, by noticing the social differences in Belgium, the leaders, they presented a model which is giving a positive message to each and every nation where there is social differences, that we need to have power sharing, we need to have the equal importance to each and every community, otherwise there will be conflict in the society. Thank you so much, my dear children, for listening to